Assalamualaikum students, this is Naeem Safdar from Orchard Grammar School. In this video you will learn transpose of a matrix. How can we find the transpose of given matrix? Just by alteration in the matrix. What we have to do for transpose? We have two options. Either you can change rows into columns or columns into rows. Then you will get the transpose of given matrix. If a matrix of any order is given, you have any order of matrix, either square matrix is given or row matrix or rectangular matrix is given. If a matrix of any order is given, we change rows into columns or columns into rows. You have two options. You can change rows into columns or columns into rows. Then the resulting matrix is called transpose of the given matrix. The transpose of matrix A, if you have matrix A, then its transpose is denoted by A raised to the power T, A transpose. If you have matrix P, then B raised to the T, B transpose. For example, if we have matrix A, for transpose, what we have to do? We just change rows into columns. It contains one row, so if we change this row 1 2 into column, this is a row. If we change row into column, then this is the transpose of the given matrix. Now we have matrix B. For transpose, what we have to do? Select rows and convert it into columns. AB, first row will become first column. CD, second row will become second column. This is the transpose of given matrix. Now observe, order of this matrix is 1 row 2 columns 1 by 2, and the order of transpose matrix 2 rows 1 column. If the order of given matrix is 3 by 2, then order of their transpose will be 2 by 3. Order will be reverse. Here order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is also 2 by 2. Now students, we have property A transpose to the whole transpose. If we take transpose of matrix 2 times, then we get original matrix, then we get A matrix. If we take first transpose, matrix B is A, B, C, D, but its transpose B transpose is A, C, B, D. It will change. But if we take again transpose of B, if we take again transpose of B transpose, then we will get the same matrix. We will get B. Now notice here, A transpose to the whole transpose is equals to A. Now we have matrix A, then show that A transpose to the whole transpose is equals to A. We have matrix A, applying T on both sides. How can we find the transpose of this matrix? This matrix has 2 rows, it will become column. 1, 2, 3. First row, first column, 4, 5, 6. Second row, second column. Again applying transpose. A transpose to the whole transpose is equals to. Now select rows and convert it into columns. 1, 4, first row will become first column. Second row will become second column. 3, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our original matrix. A transpose to the whole transpose is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write it as A. So A transpose to the whole transpose is equals to A. This is a property. B transpose to the whole transpose is equals to B. C double transpose is equal to C. Next students, these are two important MCQs. Fill in the blanks. 1, 2 to the transpose is a dash matrix. If T is not present, then this is a row matrix. But here we have transpose. So first take transpose, then decide this is a raw matrix or column matrix. Without transpose, this is a raw matrix, but when we take transpose, then this raw will become column. You will get this 1 2 raw है तो ये column बन जाएगा. तो 1 2 raised to the transpose, 1 2 to the t transpose, it will become column matrix. So answer is column matrix. A B to the transpose. Without transpose, if you notice, this is a column matrix. But when you take transpose, A B to the transpose, column है तो raw बन जाएगा. This is a raw matrix. I hope students you have understood the concept of transpose of a matrix. In case of any query, you may comment. Inshallah, we will reply soon. Thank you.